Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Lexus CT 1.8 200h Sport. In automatic, a stylish and efficient self-charging hybrid hatchback designed for comfort, technology, and fuel economy. Featuring a sunroof and a contrast black roof and mirror caps, it delivers a premium driving experience. The CT's 17-inch gloss black wheels, sleek aerodynamics, and sporty stance turn heads, while its rear LED taillights, reverse camera, and hatchback design offer practicality with premium aesthetics. Powered by a 1.8-liter petrol hybrid engine, the Lexus CT delivers an efficient and smooth drive with low emissions and impressive fuel economy. The CVT automatic transmission ensures a seamless driving experience, while cruise control enhances long-distance comfort. At the front, the Lexus CT stands out with its signature spindle grille, sharp LED daytime running lights, and a sculpted bumper, giving it a modern and aggressive look. Step inside to experience a half-leather cloth interior with heated front seats for added comfort. The cabin features a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a high-resolution infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, navigation system, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The rear seats provide ample space and comfort for passengers, with split-folding functionality to expand the boot space when needed. With a practical boot capacity, the CT is perfect for everyday commuting, weekend getaways, or city driving, offering convenience and versatility. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration VE66KRO to book a test drive or request a video tour.